The snow is melting, even though it's still really cold. As I looked up in the tree, I seen a new bird. A new kind of bird perched up on a tree. It's brown with blue lines. Maybe it's feathers. I'm not sure. There it is. There it is. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it on the limb. The name of the bird is Kroger. It's a Kroger bird. What a shame. Plastic floating, landing on a limb. It started in a factory, ended up in a store, was in somebody's hands, and left it forevermore. Bye-bye, Kroger bird. I'm sorry to say it's not a pleasure to meet you up in that tree. What a sight to see. What a sight to see. What a sight to see.